Hello everyone, this is about $3 or $4 or so. It comes with 3-inch and 4-inch, maybe a little bit bigger. This one is about like 2.5 inch or so. It's foldable, made of rubber, a really good funnel, and helpful if you have a car, multiple use at home, auto or anything. But we'll give it a quick test. See, I have the thing is a problem. This takes space, and there's no, it takes a lot of space and it's big. But let's try this one. Like, it works pretty good actually. No problem. And basically, then if you need to do this one, it's good for like oil change and stuff like that. Helpful and foldable. It goes, easy to use and easy to fold it, make it skinny, so you can put it anywhere. Not like this one here, like, yeah. So thank you for watching. See you next time. This could be very useful. Let's see what is it. This one, it's about $3 also from Temu. Suction cup, two of them, made of nylon, and it's so soft. And this one is when you shave. So this one, as you see, you can put it on the neck, stick it like that. Okay, then use those suction cup, one and then one here, like that. Okay. And now you can stick those suction cups to the mirror while you're shaving. If you want to shave your bird, or basically mostly for bird or hair, you can use this will collect all the hair and you don't have to clean up or anything. Let's give it a try on the bathroom. Then you put this one in the neck like that. When you shave, this will collect the hair and you don't need to clean up or anything. It's very useful, easy to use, and it's cheap. It's less than $5. Those are really good markers, and they can write on anything, glass, smooth surface, pretty much anything. They are permanent though. They are comes with, like, those are five for about, I think, $4, something like that. Just less than $5. Free shipping from Temu. As you see there, it comes with the there are some white marker, and they or red, green, blue, black. I got this set, but I forgot to buy white one. And you can see here, they pretty good actually. Okay, and this one, it's the like this, the black. This is the red one. Green. Very useful, and they can write on, like, even tape. If you do construction, like, construction job, this could be very helpful. On a tile, ceramic tiles, you can write on, and pretty much anything. But remember, those are permanent markers. So, but other than that, they are really useful. The sharp bin, so you can easy to use it. Okay. Thank you for watching. All the best. And this is the last item I got. Those are two for $5. Comes with colors. You can buy like in colors. I found those are really cool. First of all, they are heavy duty. This is with the retractable. This is very heavy. You see here, made of like, I don't know what is, but it looks like metal and nylon together. So it's very powerful. It goes, see, and also the made of this is all plastic here, except this is metal. The ring here is metal. The good thing about this, you can easily put it on the pants, and then if you have a key, you don't have to take it out. You just pull this, use the key, and it's retract. And it's good for set of keys, cars, work, especially if you do a lot of work and you have a lot of keys. Those are really handy, and multiple usage basically. And this is black, the black one, same thing. They have like white, black, red, green, and 2 for $5. They are really good, awesome price, and those are very, very practical. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.